ಈ ದಿನ 3 ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 2025ರಂದು ನಡೆದಂತಹ KPSC ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸು 71 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 100ವರೆಗೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 71ನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ವಾಟ್ ರೋಲ್ ಡಸ್ ಎ ರೂಟರ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ ಎ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್? ಸರಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2, ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಟು ದ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಡಿವೈಸಸ್ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ನ ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ರೂಟರ್ನ ಕೆಲಸವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. 72ನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು, ವಿಚ್ ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಇನ್ MS Excel ಅಲೌಸ್ ಯು ಟು ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ದ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಸೆಲ್? ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ನ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಕೀ ಯಾವುದಂದರೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್+ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 3 ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್+. 73, ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಇನ್ MS Excel? ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2, ಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. 74, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 74, ವಿಚ್ ಫೀಚರ್ ಇನ್ MS Excel ಅಲೌಸ್ ಯು ಟು ವ್ಯೂ ಅಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನಿಪುಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಇನ್ ಎ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೋಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್? ಸೊ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1 ವರ್ಕ್ಶೀಟ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 75, which feature in MS Word allows you to create a list of items preceded by bullets or numbers? So here option 3, bullets and numbering. Question number 76, which menu in MS Word contains options to change the font size, style, size and color? Here option 4, home option. Question number 77, what is the primary purpose of the start menu in Windows? Correct answer option 2, launching applications and accessing settings. Question number 78, which computer component is responsible for converting digital signals to analog signals and vice versa for communication purpose? Option A, modem. Question number 79, which of the following option provides you with slide timing feature to record the time that you need to present each slide? Option 2, rehearse timings. Question number 80, UDP protocol is a connectionless and unreliable protocol. Question number 81, sort the data storage hierarchy in order from level 0 to level 5. So choose the correct answer from the option given below. Data storage, bit and character, record and field, file and database. So here option 1 is the correct answer. Question number 82, which of the following best describes the computer? A machine that stores, processes and retrieves the data. So option number 2 is correct answer. Question number 83, database is controlled by or managed by DBMS software like NoSQL. Option number 1 correct answer. Question number 84, motherboard consists of the following components except direct hard disk location? Option 3 is correct answer. Question number 85, sending data from local computers to a remote computer is called uploading. Option number 2 is correct. Question number 86, which Excel function or tool is most suitable for generating a monthly salary statement based on the attendance and allowances? Option number 3, sum product. Question number 87, which chart type is best suited to show the proportion of parts of a whole? Option number 3, pie chart. Question number 88. Which of the following is not considered an input or output device? Option number 3, hard disk. Question number 89. What is Kannada Nudi primarily used for? Option number 2, writing Kannada script on computers. Question number 90. Which tab in PowerPoint contains options for inserting shapes, images, charts, and text boxes? Option number 2, insert. Question number 91. What is the purpose of Slide Master in PowerPoint? Option 3, to customize the layout and formatting of all the slides. Question number 92. What is the purpose of the reply all feature in email client? Option 3, reply to all recipients of the email. Question number 93. Consider the following pairs here on software and functions. Compilers translates as sources code to binary code. Basic input output system BIOS operates or start the computer system after it is powered on. C. Photoshop graphic software. Java computer program. How many pairs given above are correctly matched? So option number 4, all 4 are correctly matched. Question number 94. With reference to computer memory, consider the following statements. Option number 1, RAM is called a volatile temporary memory. That is wrong. It is a non-volatile temporary memory. Number 2, static RAM stores data using transistors and computer pairs. Number 3, dynamic RAM stores a bit of data using the state of a flip-flop. Which of the above statements are incorrect? The incorrect is memory. Here, incorrect statement is 2 and 3. Question number 95. Consider the following statements. Assertion. With the use of internet technology, customer satisfaction can be improved. Reason. Customers usually have no security issues with the internet or mobile apps. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. So assertion is true, but reason is a false. Question number 96. Consider the following internet features: email, video conferencing, interactive websites, online bulletin board systems, online discussion groups. Which of the above pave the way for business growth? All of the above. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Option 2 is correct answer. Question number 97. Consider the following logic gates: undo, nandu, aru, zaru, naru. Which of the above logic gates generates an output signals of 1 only if all the input signals are 1? That is option 3, 1 only. Question number 98. Match list 1 and list with the list 2. List 1. A. Trojans. Trojans are discussed as a non-malicious software. Spyware is a collects information from the device without performing permission. Virus replicates by inserting their own code. Data theft, stealing the victim's data. So here option number 2 is the correct answer. Question number 99. Regarding CPU, which of the following statements are correct? The control unit of a CPU selects and interprets the program instruction and then coordinates their execution. AL is responsible for the actual execution of the instruction. Choose the correct answer from the option below. Here 1 and 2 is the correct answer. Question number 100. A computer that is responsible for accepting HTTP requests from clients and serving them HTTP responses like web pages, HTML documents, images, etc. is known as the web server.